Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to export data from Airtable to Google Sheets quickly and easily. Let's get started. We are currently in the Airtable interface. As an example for our export, we have the Orders Management table. We have three tabs: Orders, Customers, and Products. Now let's proceed with exporting to Google Sheets. Airtable does not support a direct export to Google Sheets, but there is an alternative method: a manual export via CSV. CSV, separated values, is a text file format in which data is stored in a table structure, with values separated by commas, semicolons, or other delimiter characters. You can see the CSV example on the screen. We see that in the first row, separated by commas, there are the column names, and in the following rows, the values appear. The advantages of this method are that it's simple, fast, and doesn't require any third-party tools. However, the drawback is that the data does not update automatically, so you must repeat the process manually. So, let's export the Overview table from Orders. Click on Grid View and select Download CSV. Then the file will download. In our example, it's called Orders Grid View. Now we'll import the file into Google Sheets. To do this, go to Google Sheets and choose Blank Spreadsheet. Click File, then Import. The Import File menu will appear. Select the Upload tab, click Browse, and upload the file. There are several import location options. Let's go through each. Create New Spreadsheet. Google Sheets will create a new file and load the CSV data into it. It will be a completely new document and won't replace anything. You will need to open the new file manually. Insert New Sheet. The data will be loaded into a new sheet, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, leaving the existing one unchanged. This is convenient if you need to keep old data. However, having many sheets in one file can be confusing. Replace Spreadsheet. Completely replaces the entire Google Sheets file with the new data. This is suitable if you no longer need the old spreadsheet. All existing sheets and data will be deleted. Replace Current Sheet. Clears the current sheet, Sheet 1, and loads the CSV data. It preserves the Google Sheets structure, but replaces the content. All previous content on the current sheet will be removed. Append to current sheet. The CSV data is added below the existing data in the current sheet. This is convenient if you want to add new data to the spreadsheet. However, duplicates may appear if you import the same file multiple times. Replace data at selected cell. Data is loaded starting from the selected cell, replacing existing data in that range. This is flexible. You can insert the data precisely where you want. But it may overwrite important data if you select the wrong cell by mistake. In our example, we'll choose Create New Spreadsheet. Under Separator type, select Detect Automatically. Or if you know the delimiter, choose it. In our case, it's a comma. There are other options as well. For example, Tab. The data is separated by tabs, usually in files exported from Excel or databases. This is used in TSV files, tab-separated values. Another option is Custom, another delimiter. If your file uses a different delimiter, for instance, a semicolon, you can set it manually. This is useful if the CSV file was exported from a system where a different default delimiter is used. Check the option Convert Text to Numbers, Dates, and Formulas. This means numbers will automatically be recognized as numbers rather than text. Dates will be converted into Google Sheets date format. Formulas will be interpreted as formulas rather than plain text. Next, click Import Data. We see that the export was successful, and Google Sheets is offering to open the file. Let's click Open Now. We can see that our table is now in Google Sheets. Using this method, you can't transfer all your data at once, only one file at a time. We have seen how simple and free it is to export data from Airtable to Google Sheets. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found it helpful. Good luck with your exports, and see you next time.